Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. Have you ever wondered what truly holds up a Muslim's way of life? Just like a house stands strong with its pillars, our faith stands tall with 5 powerful pillars. Let's explore the 5 pillars of Islam, the foundation of every Muslim's belief and practice. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This is the very first step in becoming a Muslim. Muslims pray 5 times a day. This is our way of connecting with Allah and remembering Him in every part of the day. Zakat means giving to those in need, usually 2.5% of your wealth every year. It purifies our money and helps the poor, showing that Islam is a religion of compassion and care. Every year in the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. This teaches us patience, self-control, and to feel the hunger of the poor. Every Muslim who is able must perform Hajj at least once in their lifetime. It's a journey of purification and unity, where Muslims from all over the world gather in Makkah. These 5 pillars guide a Muslim's life, from what we believe to how we worship, give, fast, and unite. They keep our iman strong and our heart close to Allah. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 5-Star Deen. Your journey to Jannah starts with a single step. O Allah, help us to practice these 5 pillars sincerely and consistently. Keep our hearts firm upon your religion and guide us to Jannah. Ameen.